Good afternoon, students. Chapter number 4, Windows. Today, learning topic is summary, means chapter summary and exercise. Chapter pages 16 to 22. Today's learning pages 16 to 22. Our subject is computer knowledge standard 4. So let's see page number 16 first. Students, chapter number 4, Windows. The main function of computer are input, process and output. Then hardware and software. Then operating system. We are using Windows operating system. So see this Windows. The most computer are use very popular operating system called Microsoft Windows, popularly known as just Windows. So starting Windows, last videos we learn how to start Windows. The main screen of Windows called desktop. See this. This is mouse pointer, icons, start button, taskbar. This bar is taskbar. Mouse pointer. See this. Desktop. Whole screen is desktop. And see this clock. Mouse pointer. When you move the mouse on mouse pad, you see a small arrow moving on the screen. It shows position of mouse. See this. My mouse also. See this. So this is mouse pointer. And so this arrow is called mouse pointer. As you move the mouse on the mouse pad, the mouse pointer on the desktop also moves. See this. My mouse pointer also moving left, right, up and down everywhere on screen. If you move on mouse from side to side, the mouse pointer move left or right on the desktop. Similarly, if you move the mouse up and down, see this. The mouse pointer also moves up and or down on the desktop. Like that, see this icon, the small pictures that you see on the desktop. See these small pictures on the desktop are called icons. Each icon stands for, for a program. Windows. There are many different programs like Paint to draw and color pictures, Notepad to write, and calculator to do some simple calculations in Windows. See this. Now taskbar. The bar at the bottom of the desktop is called taskbar. See this, our Windows taskbar. See this. To the right of taskbar, you can see a clock. See this, a clock. The small button is called the start button. See this is start button. Then start menu. The window is list of command is called a menu. See this. This is different interface on your desktop. See this. This is menu. Okay. Move the mouse pointer on the start button and click the left mouse button. You will see a menu is called start menu. See this, start menu. If you place a mouse pointer on an item start menu, that the item will be highlighted. It will appear with a colored band over it. Then submenu. Look at the start menu carefully. Some items have small right arrows. Place the move mouse pointer on the screen, such item that item will be highlighted and you will see another menu on the right. This menu is called submenu. For example, the place the mouse pointer programs, you will see a submenu. See this, students. See this. When you click left mouse button on start, see this menu will appear on your screen. When you place mouse pointer on any an item, you will see this sub menu. Sub menu can see names of the programs in your computer. Some items on this submenu also have small right arrow. See this small right arrows. See this. Okay. See this small right arrows. See the accessories. See this accessories. Small right arrow appears on your screen. This mean each of these item has a submenu. Means it has these items has submenu. Okay, like that. Shutting down Windows. Place the mouse pointer on the start button taskbar and click the left mouse button. You will see start menu. On the start menu, place mouse pointer, shut down and click the left mouse button. You will see a rectangular box. It's called dialog box. See this dialog box, rectangle dialog box. This dialog box asks you what do you want to the computer to do. See this, what do you want to computer to do, and the word shutdown will usually appears below the question. See this is question and word shutdown appears below the question. Click OK button of the dialog box. Where is OK button? See this is OK button. You will see the following message one by one on screen. Closing network connection first, then saving your settings, computer settings, and Windows shutting down. Now it is now safe, turn off your computer. After you see this last message on screen, you can switch off the computer. Now student exercise. Fill in the blanks with the help of the words given in the brackets. Start, shutdown, operating system, menu and hardware. In Windows, a list of commands called menu. When you click on the start button, you will see the start menu. To shut down Windows, click on shutdown on the start. The software that actually runs computer is called an operating system. The part of a computer that you can see and touch is called hardware. Name the following with the help of the word given in the bracket. See these bracket words: taskbar, start, icons, desktop, mouse pointer. Now see this. First, the main screen of Windows desktop. Where is desktop? See this. The small pictures that you see on the Windows screen means icons. Where is icons? See these icons. The bar at the bottom of the desktop, this is taskbar. See this taskbar. The small arrows on the Windows screen, mouse pointer. See this, my mouse pointer also moving everywhere. The small button that on the left hand side of the taskbar. Left hand side means see this hand side of the taskbar. See this taskbar, and left side means this side. See this start button. Okay, answer the following questions. What is hardware? All the part of a computer that you can see and touch. Next, what is software? The instructions need by a computer to do all the work is called software. We cannot see or touch software. What is an operating system? The software that actually helps to the computer to run is called operating system. What is the desktop? The main screen of Windows is called desktop. What is the mouse pointer? When we move the mouse on the mouse pad, we see a small arrow moving on the screen. It shows the position of the mouse on the screen, and so this arrow is called mouse pointer. What are icons? The small pictures that you see on the desktop are called icons. Question number 4, given the below the step to shut down Windows, read them carefully and fill in the blanks with the help of the words given in the bracket. Start, OK, and shut down. See this. Click on the start button on the taskbar, you will see the start menu. Second, on the start menu, click on the shutdown, you will see a dialog box. Third, this is dialog box asks you what do you want to the computer to do, and the word shutdown will appear below it. 4. Click on the OK button. Windows will shut down. Students, this is summary and exercise of chapter number 4, Windows. I'll see you next video, next chapter. Bye.